Okay, I found a solution. Well, a cotton bud, this one, it doesn't really go. It's too, not contain too much. But then I tried to put it down here, but it's too thick. Doesn't go. But if one use a very thin tweezer, a long tweezer, you could actually use this as a tool to get the fluidium, the nail polish remover up, and then apply it on the thread down there. And then it comes off. It has a mark there. And so how many turns will it be before it comes off? Gloves off. We have the beginning. 1, 2, and 3. How many turns? 4. Almost. 4.5. So it goes off here, close to the. Have to make a little scratch. So then we have the thread, the helicoid off. Wow, that's great. Because then we have full access to this. Where's the lid? Here. So that's better. Now add some small amount of lighter fluid. And use a cotton bud to gently clean the helicoid. Yeah, it's not really the best shape, but hopefully it can come back to life, because it is a good lens when it works. Then I could try to do some on the thread. It's not easy because it's already worn out a little. I think this part is the softest. Hope it will be okay. Yeah, it's very dry. There is actually no grease on this helicoid. But I will try another glue. Another grease. This is for high-speed skates. So I will give it a go. I have ordered some grease on the internet. This should be very light, so just a small amount. I don't know if it will work. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, I need more. Maybe the amount is way too much, maybe somebody said, but I will just give it a go. Where did my mark went? Here. And okay. I mean, that's much better than it was. The mark is here. And how about my distance? Well, it's the same. So for me it's just to put the lens on. Oops. And then it's actually back to life. And I just need to, where is the mark? Where did it go? Here. And I have my mark over here. So I need to put it here. And I will end up the exact same place where it began. So, that's great. Mark there and mark there, and counterclockwise. 1, 2, and 3. And here we are, the same distance. So that's actually that. Now I have a great 24mm. Hope this grease will work pretty good. Now, that's just to put things back in again. The brass ring and the helicoid, the inner helicoid, catch it. And we need another thing. We need to catch the aperture hook here, because it also needs to sit correct. This one and the aperture hook that will catch into this pin. So the brass ring is not in place. We could set this to full open, this also to full open, and then giving it another go. Did I catch it? I think. So now it works. That's great. Now that's really great. So now the assembly process. So I will start with the focus ring, just so I know things will not fall off. I have the infinity, which is there, and the screw hole is there. Oh, tiny screws. So, and then the nameplate ring, front ring. Try to catch the thread, click. And as you remember, I began with the name here and the small set screw, and I will end up the same place. But now it's much easier to catch the screw because it's here. And then this ring, front ring whatsoever, outer front ring, yeah. So, and then the rubber. So we're almost there. Then the aperture ring, the pin and the notch goes there, and then move it. Okay, yeah, it works. Perfect. Then the hook here will go into this pin down here. Well, it should be that way. Yeah, here we are. And if we set it to something 22 here, yeah. So the last 5 screws to be put in, and then I have a working lens. Now that's great. Wow, it really looks good. So this old lens can come out and play again. That's really, really great. Thanks for watching. That's bye bye.